young life, more than jewels.
A sad young lad, more than life.
I wish.
And a childless baby, more than thunder.
I wish to go to the festival,
More than life.
I wish to go to the festival,
More than riches.
Now give us a milk.
more than anything.
A child.
I want a child.
I wish.
You were to go to the festival? The poor girl's mother had died. You Cinderella the
What is
festival?
Cinderella the festival? The King's festival? Listen, Wilson, Milky White must be taken to the market.
But mother, no, he's the best cow.
She's given us no milk for a week. We have no food nor money and have no choice but to sell her.
But Milky Way is my best friend in the whole world.
Look at her. There are bugs on her ducks. There are flies in her eyes. There's a lump on her rump, big enough to be a hump. And no one keeps a cow for a friend. Fetch the best price you can. Take no less than £5. Are you listening to me?
Yes, no more than 5 pounds.
Less than 5. Now go. Who might that be?
It's the witch from next door.
In the past, when your mother was a child, she developed an unusual appetite. She took one look at my beautiful garden and told your father that what she wanted more than anything in the world was greens, greens, and nothing but greens. Parsley, peppers, cabbages, and celery, asparagus, and watercress, and bitter gourds, and lettuce. He said, all right! But it wasn't quite, because I caught him in the autumn of my garden one night. He was robbing me, harassing me, rooting through my rutabaga, raiding my arugula, and ripping up the rampion, my champion, my favorite. I laid a little spell on him. You too, son. That your family tree would always be a barren one. You wish to have the curse reversed? I'll need a certain potion first. Go to the wood and bring me back 1, the cow as white as milk. 2, the cape as red as blood. 3, the hair as yellow as corn. 4, the slipper as pure as gold. Bring me these before the chime of midnight. In 3 days' time, 'tis then, I guarantee, a child as perfect as child can be. Go to the wood!
Into the woods without regret, the choice is made, the task is set. Into the woods but not forgetting why I'm on the journey. Into the woods to get my wish, I don't care how, the time is now. Into the woods to sell the cow, into the woods to get the money, into the woods to live the spell.
To make the potion.
Into the festival, into the woods to grandmother's house. Into the woods to grandmother's house. The way is clear, the light is good. I have no fear, nor no one should. The woods are just trees, the trees are just wood. No need to be afraid, there's something in the glade there. Into the woods to get the thing that makes it worth the journey in. Into the woods to see the king, to sell the cow, to make the potion, to seed, to sell, to get, to bring, to make, to lift, to go to the festival. Into the woods, into the woods, into the woods and out of the woods. And home before dark.
Hello, little girl, what's your rush? You're missing all the flowers. The sun won't set for hours. Take more time.
Mother said straight ahead, not to delay or be misled.
But slow, little girl, hark and hush. The birds are singing sweetly. You'll miss the birds completely. Traveling so fleetly.
Mother said not to stay, still I suppose a small delay, bringing my kite a fresh bouquet.
cow or a yellow slipper? Or was it a yellow cow and a golden slipper? Oh no.
The cow is white as milk, the cape as red as blood, the hair is yellow as corn, the slipper as pure as...
What are you doing here?
I wish to help!
No! The spell is not...
The cow as white as
Milk. Hello there, young man.
Hello there, sir.
What might you be doing with a cow in the middle of the forest?
I was on my way to the marketplace, but I seem to have lost my way.
And what
And what are you planning on doing there?
To sell my cow, no less than 5 pounds.
5 pounds?
And if you can't fetch that sum, then what are you to do?
I suppose my mother and I will have no food to eat.
Beans? Oh, we mustn't give up our beans, but if you feel we must.
Huh?
Beans in exchange for my cow.
Oh, these are no ordinary beans, son. These beans carry magic.
Magic? What kind of magic?
Tell him.
Magic that defies description.
Can I?
Buy my cow back someday.
Well, possibly. Take the cow and go home.
I was trying to be helpful.
Go home. I will carry this out in my own fashion. Hello there, little one. Where did you get that red cape? I so admire it.
My granny made it for me.
Forget the little girl and get the cape.
I just wanted to make sure you really like that cape. Now you go to your grandmother's and make sure that no wolf comes along your way.
I'd rather a wolf than you any day.
I need that cape.
Have you seen a beautiful young maiden in a ball gown pass
I
through?
don't believe so, sir.
I think I see her over there.
I've never lied to royalty before.
I've never anything to royalty before.
Thank you.
Oh, what a beautiful ball gown you're wearing.
Were you at the King's Festival?
Yes. Oh, are you the lucky one? Why, if a prince were looking for me, I
Certainly would not hide.
Tell me about the ball. It's a very nice, yes, and they have far too much food. Oh, the prince.
Oh, the prince. Yeah, the prince.
If he knew who I really was.
Oh.
Who? I'm afraid I was rude. How?
Not by being pursued.
Yes, and I'm not in the mood. Are you to return tomorrow eve? Perhaps. Perhaps. Oh, to be pursued by a prince! Oh, that pursues me tomorrow's red. What I wouldn't give to be in your shoes. Will you look over there?
An enormous vine growing next to that little cottage.
I mean, slippers.
It looks like a giant beanstalk rising into the sky.
As pure as gold!
I must get home.
Wait, I need your shoe. Milky White. Milky White! Milky White, come back!
Good fortune, sir. Look what I have. 5 gold pieces.
5 gold pieces.
Where's Milky White? You say I might buy her back.
I'm not certain that 5 gold
You wish
pieces.
for more money? Here, take this. I'll go
No,
fetch
no,
more.
no, this is not what I meant.
Did I abuse her or show her disdain? Why does she run from me? If I should lose her, how shall I regain the heart she has won from me? Agony, oh, the torture they teach, always 10 steps behind, and she's just out of reach. Agony that can cut like a knife. I must have her to wife.
I'll leave 2 of the 4.
3.
2.
3, compare this to your corn.
Where did you find it?
I just pulled from a maid in the tower.
3!
And I almost had the 4th, but she got away.
Well, with 1 entire day left, surely we can locate the slipper by then.
We? As in you allow me to stay.
Well, perhaps it will take the 2 of us to get this child.
We've changed, we're strangers. I meet you in the woods.
Moonlight, what dangers! I know we'll get past the woods. And once we're past,
Let's hope these changes last. Beyond woods, beyond witches and slippers and hoods.
just the 2 of us, beyond lies. Sailing home with
Our beautiful prize.
just the 2 of us. It takes trust.
It takes
Just a bit more and we're done. We want 4, we had none. We've got 3. We need 1. It takes 2.
You have attacked me once before.
I wasn't attacking you, I was attacking your shoe. I need to have a child.
Well, that makes no sense.
Stop! Here, take my shoes. Run faster.
Who was that woman? Line will cost you your life.
I'm the slipper.
I've the maiden slipper.
Oh dear, there's a dead giant in my backyard. I heard Jack coming down the beanstalk calling for his axe. And when he reached the vine, he took it and started hacking down the stalk. And then suddenly, with a crash, the beanstalk fell and there was no Jack. And for all I know, he's been crushed by a giant.
Well, if he's been crushed, then there's nothing any of us can do about that. Now is there?
Doesn't anyone care a giant has fallen from the sky?
You've all the objects?
Yes?
What's happening here? Milky White. Now I have my best friend back, and I'm rich.
Quiet! Feed the objects to the cow.
What?
You heard me! Feed them to the cow!
And it came to pass all that seemed wrong was now right. The kingdoms were filled with joy, and those who deserved were certain to live a long and happy life. Ever after.
Ever after.
Journey over, all is mended, and it's not just for today, but tomorrow, and extended ever after.
Ever after, all the curses have been ended. The reverse is wiped away. All the tenderness and laughter for forever after. Happy now and happy hence and happy ever after. Joy today and bliss tomorrow, tenderness and laughter. To be happy and forever, you will see your wish come true.
Don't be careful, don't be clever, when you see your wish pursue.
It's a dangerous endeavor, and the only thing to do. Those fearful, those deep, those dark and living man lose the path. If you want your wish, you can have your wish, but you can't just wish. No, to get your wish, you go into the woods where nothing's clear, where witches, ghosts, and wolves appear. Into the woods and through the fear, you have to take the journey. Into the woods and down the dell in vain, perhaps, but who can tell?
Into the woods to lift the spell,
Into the woods to lose the longing,
into the woods to have the
to
child,
let the prince
to get the money.
say